Good morning, students. I am going to continue lesson mensuration related exercise 11.2. In this exercise, we study about areas of trapezium, rhombus, general quadrilateral, and polygon. In previous video, I had given you the related formulas, but today I want to repeat the related formulas of exercise 11.2. In this exercise, area of trapezium, that's formula is 1 upon 2 sum of the parallel sides into distance between them. Area of rhombus, when diagonals are given, then area of rhombus is equal to 1 upon 2 into d1 into d2. d1 and d2 are the diagonals, first diagonal and second diagonal respectively. And area of general quadrilateral, if the perpendicular distance from their vertex to the diagonal is given, that is 1 upon 2 into d into in the bracket h1 plus h2. And area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. And area of any polygon is the area of their parts like triangle, trapezium and so on. Whatever the parts are taken in that polygon, all the areas of the parts is equal to the area of polygon. In this sequence, I am going to start question number 1, that is given here. The shape of the top surface of table is a trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. Then you find out the area of tabletop, that is shaped in trapezium. You write down exercise 11.2, exercise 11.2, question number 1. Let parallel sides be A is equal to 1 meter and B is equal to 1.2 meter. Perpendicular distance, that is H, is equal to 0.8 meter. These are given in this question. Parallel sides 1 meter and 1.2 meter and perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. Find out the area of tabletop. Area of tabletop is equal to area of trapezium, that is 1 upon 2 in the bracket A plus B into H. A and B are the parallel sides of a trapezium and H is the distance between them. Then you write down the given values 1 upon in the bracket 1 plus 1.2. A is 1 meter and B is 1.2 meter and height is 0.8 meter. When you simplify this expression, you write 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1.2, that is 2.2 into 0.8. You divide 0.8 by 2, you get 0.4. Then you multiply 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, and decimal is shifted here point. After point, here is 1 digit and here is 1 digit, means after 2 digit you shift the point 1, 2. This is point position. Your answer is 0.88 meter square. It is your answer. Area of the tabletop which is shaped in trapezium is equal to 0.88 meter. Question number 2. That is, your question is, the area of trapezium is 34 centimeter square and the length of one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter and its height is 4 centimeter. Find the length of the other parallel side. In this question, you have given area of trapezium. Area of trapezium, that is 34 centimeter square. Length of one parallel side, that is A, is equal to 10 centimeter. Height is equal to 4 centimeter. Means perpendicular distance between parallel sides is 4 centimeter. Find out the other parallel side. Means you find out the other parallel side B. You write down area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to 1 upon 2 into sum of parallel side, means A plus B into distance between them, that is L. You write down area of trapezium 34 is equal to 1 upon 2 into A is 10 plus B into 4. You divide it 4 by 2, you get 2. Then 2 into 10 plus B is equal to 34. Then 10 plus B is equal to 34 upon 2, that is 17. Then B is equal to 17 minus 10, that is 7 centimeter. This is the length of the other parallel side, 7 centimeter. This is your answer. Question number 3. Your question is, length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meter. If BC is equal to 48 meter, CD is equal to 17 meter and AD is equal to 40 meter, find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel sides AD and BC. First of all, I want to construct a figure ABCD, that is trapezium shaped field ABCD. A, B, C, D. ABCD is a trapezium shaped field whose fence means perimeter is 120 meter and BC is equal to 48 meter. BC is equal to 48 meter and CD is equal to 70 meter and AD is equal to 40 meter. Then you find out the area of a trapezium in which AB is perpendicular distance between these two parallel sides. For solving this question, first of all, we find out the length of AB, which is found by the difference of perimeter and sum of these three sides. Sum of these three sides. You write down first of all perimeter is equal to 120 meter and measurements of BC is equal to 48 meter, CD is 70 meter and AD is 40 meter. You write down BC is equal to 48 meter, CD is equal to 70 meter and AD is equal to 40 meter. Then you find out length of AB. AB is equal to perimeter minus sum of three sides, that is 120 minus in the bracket 48 plus 17 plus 40, that is 120 minus 8 7 15 5 1 carry 1 4 5 5 1 6 6 4 10 105, that is 15 meter. This is the length of AB, which is equal to 15 meter. Then you find out area of trapezium shaped field ABCD is equal to 1 upon 2 into sum of parallel sides, means BC plus AD into distance between them, that is AB. You write down 1 upon 2 into BC 48 plus 40 into AB is 15. To write down 1 upon 2 into, this is 48 plus 40, 88 into 15. 88 Then 15 4 60, 15 4 60 and 6, 66, 660 meter square. It is your answer.